In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to use our Adhesive Assist method to install our raster spheres into metal, stone, and other solid materials in just 10 easy steps. For this tutorial, you will need metal raster spheres as well as our low-tack tape and pure adhesive tape. First, you will need to determine the placement of the braille on the sign. Once the placement is determined, you will want to apply a piece of the low-tack tape on that area, making sure the tape is a little larger than the braille message on all sides. Next, insert the collet drill assembly along with the B50 carbide drill bit into the collet of the machine and tighten all the way down. Using your deluxe spline driver, loosen the nut to zero out the bit with the nose cone, and then tighten it. Turn the micrometer to .041 to allow for proper raster depth. This depth allows room for the adhesive at the bottom of the hole. Also note that if you slow down the Z speed on your engraver when working with metal substrates, your drill bits will last longer and drill cleaner holes. Loosen the bit out of the collet to allow for proper Z depth setting of the nose cone. Next, send the file to the machine and start the file. If you immediately press the pause button, this will allow for the Z height definition to take place over the substrate location. Once defined, tighten the bit and run the file. Once your raster holes are drilled, apply a piece of pure adhesive tape over the holes. Lightly burnish it down with your fingernail. Using the raster pen, manually insert the raster sphere through the pure adhesive tape. Don't use too much force to push through the tape. You only need to press hard enough to seat the raster sphere firmly into the sign. Once all raster spheres are securely installed, carefully peel off both sets of tape by pulling on the low-tack tape. Try to avoid pulling it at a sharp angle. The excess adhesive should come off with the tape and require no further cleanup. Lastly, you'll want to check the height of the raster spheres with the calipers. Measure the height using a depth or height gauge.